Very good afternoon to everyone. And we just concluded the first cabinet meeting of the Mda 2.0 government. And in the cabinet meeting, we have taken up two important agendas. The first is to bring in the Contingency Fund of Meghalaya Amendment Bill 2023. If you remember, we had brought in an ordinance for that. So now that the House is in session and we have to bring this in the House, we have brought this now in the form of a bill. Similarly, the second agenda was to pass the repeal of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021. As you are aware, we had passed an ordinance to repeal the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act 2021, and today, as the session is on, we are going to put it in the form of a bill, and the Meghalaya Regulation Gaming Act will be repealed. So the budget session is going to commence on the 20th of this month, and or rather I should say it will be continuing because it has just been adjourned till the 20th to 0. And the full budget will be passed during this session, and we are waiting for the BAC to meet to finalize the exact dates.